Okay, what is up? Welcome to Software Engineering Concepts in Python Programming, and also for your interviews and also your Python certification exam. So in this video, we are going to understand Python's data class decorator, which is the data class decorator. This is actually a very powerful feature that dramatically simplifies class creation when your primary goal is to store data. And this was introduced in Python 3.7 as part of the standard library. This decorator automatically generates special methods like init, reaper, and EQ, and that would actually otherwise require tedious boilerplate code. This functionality actually lives in the data class module and represents Python's built-in approach to creating what other languages might call record, struct, or data transfer object types. And by reducing repetitive code, a data class helps developers write more maintainable and less error-prone programs. So we'll look at the next slide to see what we have for you. So we also have a code block from data class, and we are data classes. We are importing data class, of which you can check out here. At this moment, you can pause this video. So I'll quickly talk about, while you are doing your programming test in VS Code or PyCharm, I'll quickly talk about the class decorator, which offers several powerful capabilities that make it indispensable for modern Python development. So it offers automatic method generation, which creates init, reaper, and EQ methods based on defined fields, saving dozens of lines of boilerplate code. It also offers type annotations support, which works seamlessly with Python's type hints. Customization options supports frozen is equal to true for immutability, order is equal to true for comparison methods, and the like. So this is a sample code so that you can manually type it out in your VS Code so you can understand what is going on. Do let us know how it went in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.